What's the meaning of cock up? Cock up. Cock up.
Cock up. Cock up. The term cock up is a colloquial British phrase that is often used to describe something that has gone wrong or been botched. It can be used to refer to a wide range of situations, from simple mistakes to major disasters. In general, the result of a cock up is some kind of chaos or confusion, and things may not work out as planned. The term is often used in a light-hearted way, but it can also be used in a more serious context when describing a significant failure or error.